Hi guys, this is Ava from Bay Harbor Med Spa, and today I'm going to address a question to many men, young men in particular, and black men who suffer from acne or ingrown hairs. And many of you send me emails and ask me what would be the best way to shave a young man or a man's face when he either breaks out and has pimples, acne, or when he has ingrown hairs which create pimples or painful abscesses. So my suggestion would be the best way to do it is perhaps to use an electric shaver, but the shaver must be only used by you, nobody else. And you have to sterilize the blade that is on top of the shaver. It's sort of like a net. You have to take that and clean it with alcohol and sterilize it. That would be probably the best way to shave the face when you have breakouts and when you have pimples and when you have ingrown hairs, because then the shaving is not that close, and because if you go with a razor, you actually cutting into the skin, and then you are spreading the infection, the pus that is on the pimples. If you do that with an electric razor, the shaving is not that close. The razor itself really doesn't touch your face. It's sort of touching only the viscous, the hairs. So my suggestion would be to shave the face with an electric razor. Go in the direction of the hair growth. Don't go in the opposite direction. Go in the direction of the hair growth. After you shave, wash your face with a washcloth suitable for acne or breakouts, and then clean it also with a toner. So you sort of balance the pH, and if you have any breakouts or anything that open, the toner will sort of sterilize it. And also, if you have pimples, I would suggest that you use my acne treatment line, which has in it a toner, a cleanser. It has a lotion, a drying lotion for breakouts, for pimples, that helps to dry it out. You can actually go to my website, skincaretreatments.tv, and you can obtain it there. It's inexpensive, and it's really very, very good for acne or oily skin or breakouts. So electric razor would be my choice number one recommendation. If you don't have an electric razor and that's not available to you, then try to use a one blade, not 2, 3, or 4, one blade. So you don't want it to be cutting like 3 blades. You want one blade. You wash your face, soften the hair with warm water, a washcloth, and then take a razor and just shave once in the direction of the hair growth, wherever, and then again clean the face with a cleanser that has an antiseptic there that sterilizes the skin, a toner, and clean the razor with alcohol. Because if you have pimples, and then you can spread it, and if you reuse it, then you can spread it also. So clean the razor and the blade with alcohol. So I hope that answered the question as far as how men should shave that have breakouts or ingrown hairs. If you have any more questions, just go to skincaretreatments.tv and email me, and I will answer them, okay? Thank you guys. Until next time, bye.